Hi there. Thanks for your interest to this template and to this video. This template is something how do we think digital video production can work. So we have three types here that are video, stage, and task. That means that when we plan to create a video, it will have multiple stages that has to be finished to get our video project published, finalized, and each stage has multiple tasks that has to be finished. So we could say that this stage is done. So if you have different kinds of videos, and different kinds of videos have multiple types of stages, or you don't have stages at all, just feel free to check our Customize Me document that has some nice ideas and suggestions. How can you improve this template? So just feel free to customize it as it is. Let's check right now what can we do without any improvements. So on the video project tracker table, we see a list of all the videos we currently have in our backlog. So we can put on the filter here. So the state is none of ID and publish, and then we will see only those videos that are in progress right now. We can open any video as an entity and also see information about it, whether it is in progress, when we do plan to publish it, automatically calculated progress based on the progress among different stages. So just average one. Then later we can put an URL here and check who is assigned right now. And there are also multiple stages. Here you can also put a specification of the video. So like maybe your expectations, requirements, and so on. So this, in fact, this is a merged document inside the text as it is. So it must be beautiful. Okay, sorry, I don't have enough imagination. You can also follow and go down the hierarchy. So as we said, that video can have multiple stages. I can just from the video jump to any stage. And any stage inside would have also a description field. So for example, what do we expect to do while scripting and so on. Also, we'll see planned duration and the progress, but now it is based on tasks that were done. So we'll calculate the number of all the tasks. We calculate the number of tasks that were done during this separate stage, and then just calculate the progress as it is. And we can just go down and check the task. So task stage, tasks due date, which stage it belongs to, and whether it is done or not. So this is how we travel through all the hierarchy, but it's nice to have different points of view. So having a look at all the videos we have, it is nice to do with a table. But for example, tracking progress of the stages, nice to have on the timeline. So as you see here on the left, we have our videos that are grouped by their media type. So it still can be film, screen recording. If you have another ones, just feel free to add it. And we see that today, which stage is it now? We can check what was done already and when. And we can just also jump to any stage from the timeline as well and see which video it belongs to and which tasks were done. So you can also change, for example, duration here, like this. And it will be changed in the duration field as well. Okay. And speaking about tasks are more like bite-sized pieces of work that has to be done. And this is why it is nice to have a look at them probably on the Kanban board once you want to track what's going on here. So we are jumping to another view that are tasks by state. Here you see all the tasks we have. We see which of them were done. We see which stage do they belong to, and which project do they belong as well. So if we'll have multiple videos, we will be able to see which task to which video belongs to. You can customize that view as well. For example, let's go to cards and saying that rows can be videos, something like that. And then we will see that these tasks are about template customizations and this one doesn't have any video. So it is strange that they live here. Probably someone was mistaken and we need to track that. and we can like close it as it is. If you need another kind of visualization, for example, you want to track tasks on the calendar view because tasks can have a due date, let's say it will be like tomorrow, then we can create a calendar. So let's create a calendar and say that we can have tasks and just show them by their due date. Okay, there we have our task, and in here you'll see all the tasks that we have in our backlog, but they don't have just a date inside. So we can plan it for today for sure. Like, can open it. We cannot. Okay, that's it. So let's delete the calendar and go back to our structure. Feel free to add new fields, edit existing ones, rename them, add new fields, and just do anything you want because Fibery will adapt your process, not vice versa.